Hi everyone, welcome again to ESL Lounge. So it's been a long time again that I haven't uploaded any videos here in our channel. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please support our small community. Hit the subscribe button now and also follow our Facebook page wherein I usually upload some materials that ESL teachers can use in their classes. So, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how you are going to use Canva, a very interactive tool, editing or like a graphic designing tool actually. Okay, how are you gonna use that one for your classes wherein you're just going to connect it or use it in your class in Blackboard. So this time it's between Canva and class in Blackboard. So let's start. First thing that we have to do is to open, of course, our class in, and you must have a Canva account. So if you don't have a Canva account yet, you just have to go to canva.com and you have to create an account there. All right, so let's start. Okay, everyone. So you can now see my whole screen, and I have already opened here my Canva account. So you can see here, right? So if you, like I said earlier, if you don't have yet your own Canva account, please don't forget to create an account because you cannot do this one without a Canva account. All right. So for example, okay, so I already opened my class in. This is already my class in Blackboard. And here is my okay, this is my Canva on the web, okay? So let's see. We're going to start from the top so that you'll be able to catch up with whatever I'm going to show to you or with you right now. So for example, I'm going to create here a design and then I just have to choose presentation in here, okay? So now I have a blank page here. The first thing that I have to do is to share it. So just click on the share here and then you have to change the access. So instead of only you can access, you have to change it to anyone with the link and then it must be can edit. Okay. So now I'll just have to copy this one. I'll have to go back to my class in. So here's my class in Blackboard. Now I have to click on the briefcase and then go to the browser on class in. So there you go. I'm just going to paste the link and then enter. And then now you are shown the blank, right? The blank Canva page that you copied earlier. So now for it to be more visible to your student, you can click on this one. Yes. And then you can adjust the window size. So you can adjust it like this one, right? So that it would be, it looks much bigger, okay, on your students' end. Now let us go back, okay? For example, you are going to teach a lesson with your student, and what you only have is a book, okay? So what you have to do is that you have to open the book first, okay? So for example, the lesson is here, okay? This is the lesson. So now you can just copy this one. Okay, instead of showing the whole book to your student, you can copy the picture. Okay, I'm just going to use the screenshot there. Okay. Before I'm just using like this one and then put everything here on the class in Blackboard. But I would like to give you more options wherein you can also try to improve the interaction between you and your student. Okay, so now what I just have to do is that I have to paste the picture that I have just got. Okay, not here on the class in I mean, class in browser Canva, okay, whatever it is, you have to go there, okay, on the web browser. So I'll just have to paste it here. You can see. So whatever I have here will automatically appear here. There you go. So you can see it's already on the Canva um, link, which we've pasted, okay, that we pasted on the browser on class in, okay? So there you go. So for example, you want to teach here family. So you just have to go here, okay? And then of course you have to put a label here, right? So let's just say family, all right? So the good thing about using Canva is that you can also have the Okay, yeah, more options, okay, to use different kinds of font styles, okay? So there you go. So whatever I put it here, it also appears here. So this is supposed to be shared, right? This window, the class in Blackboard window should be shared with your student, okay? So now that the student can already see this one, okay? So for example, you want to do it more interactive, you can circle this one, like, who is he, okay? And then you don't have any words yet on the right side, right? So when your student says father, then that's the only time that you go back again to your Canva on the browser and then write here father, okay? And then try to put it there. So these are already the words, right? So go back here. You can see the student can already see the father that you wrote here, okay? And then you went back, okay, you go back again, I should say, to the next okay person, okay, the who is the mother, like who is she? So the student can again say like this one, you just have to control D for duplicate and then just edit it, double click that, and then you just write there mother. Okay. So whatever you write in here will automatically appear here. It's a real-time synchro what do you call the one? It is real-time synchronized. Okay. So next, you want to give a reward and you haven't prepared anything, right? So Canva will also give you that one. You just have to add a page, okay? And then you just have to put here like, great job. Now, Canva will already give you all of those. For example, you want to use this one. Okay. Wow, Mel, you did a great job today. So here are your stars. See that? You just have to click that one and then it will automatically bring you to the next page of the Canva. Okay. So it's just that. So it's time for you to explore more on how you're going to enjoy using this combination of Canva presentation and class in platform for you to create a more engaging and interactive classroom. So there you go. I hope you learned something from me again today. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel and now you are watching this video, please subscribe our small community. Let's grow more and I will try my best also to upload more videos for you for me to be able to share the strategies or also some classroom management tips that I am adapting to my English classes at present. And we also have our Facebook page already wherein I upload there actually some ESL books that we may be able to use in our classes. So please follow the page. It is here. So I hope that you continue to follow and then subscribe. See you again.